Hello, dear friends. Today we embark on a profound exploration of Psalm 3, a poetic sanctuary in times of adversity. Join us as we unwrap the timeless messages of courage and hope woven into each verse. In the storms of life, may Psalm 3 be a beacon of strength and comfort for your soul. Psalm 3, a message of hope and courage, enhanced understanding. In Psalm 3 we find David, the psalmist, pouring out his heart amid challenges. As we delve into the verses, we discover a raw and honest conversation with God. Facing adversities, David expresses unwavering trust in God's protection and deliverance. This psalm is a testimony to finding hope even in the darkest hours and relying on the unfailing love of our Creator. Now let's dive into the verses of Psalm 3 with a renewed perspective and understanding. A prayer of trust in times of adversity. O Lord, how many are my foes? Many rise up against me. Many say of my soul, there is no salvation for him in God. But you, O Lord, are a shield about me, my glory and the lifter of my head. With my voice I cry out to the Lord, and he answers me from his holy hill. I lie down and sleep, and I wake again, for the Lord sustains me. I will not be afraid of the 10,000s who have set themselves against me all around. Arise, O Lord, save me, O my God. For you strike all my enemies on the cheek. You break the teeth of the wicked. From the Lord comes deliverance. May your blessing be on your people. May these words bring comfort and inspiration to your heart. Thank you for joining us in this inspiring reflection on Psalm 3, a prayer of trust in times of adversity. If these words have touched your heart, share them with others who may find comfort and inspiration. Leave your thoughts in the comments, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more enriching content. May the peace of the Lord be with you always. Brief explanation. In Psalm 3, we witness the psalmist David expressing unwavering trust in God, even in the face of numerous adversaries. This poem offers a message of hope and courage, reminding us that even in the darkest hours, we can rely on divine protection. David, facing challenges, highlights the certainty of salvation that comes from the Lord. May these words inspire and strengthen your faith, guiding you through life's storms.